in a very messy kitchen, I wanted order to my dog's food. My prescription dog food that needed to be organized. And then non-dog food. I love this tray. It's metal. I can have a lot of dog food in there when we move. Empty. Oh, my dog's gonna think it's time to eat. Sorry, Dupper. If I have to get to something, easily moved around. I can tell how many cans I have. I'm gonna be needing some soon. So I can even check this because it said how many pounds I could have. See how easy it is to put back? Zoom, right back in place. You should have seen before I had this. It was stacked up in boxes. And now it's pink. Because I control the dog food. So it's cool. I love it. Easy to get to. Easy to organize. At a glance, I know how many there are. So, here we go. See? Little guy thinks he's gonna eat. Big girl thinks she's gonna eat. Sorry, guys. Not eat.
This cart is great. Yep, about to drop the hampers. Let's put these here for a second. But it wheels all the way out. I think it took my husband about maybe 10 minutes to put the thing together. Because I was not going to do it. He's really great at these things. And I keep everything on here. Baby bottles, Pampers, wipes, Vaseline, tissue, any medical supplies, blankets, swaddles. And it's been a space saver for all of these things and just helping me keep stuff decluttered. So especially when they're so young and you're still sharing a room with them before they move into their bedrooms or cribs, and you just don't have a lot of space. We have a 2-bedroom, so this helps. All right, it was worth the money.
Alright, I can't be that drunk. Just kidding, but come on now. How is this my luck? Y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Yeah, that's what I got. Both sides even. Both sides. Not satisfied at all. I'm so upset because it was such a cute cart. That's quality control. That's these small Amazon shops for you, I guess.
Okay, I'm in my room, but this is supposed to go here like this, right? They're both actually supposed to supposed to be able to fit. It does not fit whatsoever. This is the way it's supposed to go, but it only fits this way. This is the only way it fits. And all, as you can see, you have to be able to put each here on this, and it's backwards. It's inside out. You can't.